fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video of Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. For today we're going to be reacting to a Sydney artist. Shout out to Returns of Records. We are going to be reacting to TKB Hoodsaint from Granville. I don't think I've heard of Granville before, so definitely a new suburb to add to the list. But yeah, if you're new to my channel and this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it heaps, fam. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and don't forget to click that bell to keep notified when I upload videos.
Someone come get her.
I'm a vibe.
Yeah, no, you're empty.
Okay, nah. But yeah, let's get to the track, fam. Thank you to those that have requested. And yeah.
You're a handful, man.
Me?
Yeah. Sorry. Okay.
I'm not too sure what TKB looks like.
Wearing a belly.
Oh yeah, he was on the concert, yeah. Sure.
Oh, the concert,
yeah, the Street Uni concert.
Oh.
Do you know what I was just about to say? I'm surprised you didn't hear the truck pull up, because we could hear it.
We missed it because you were busy talking.
Sorry. Okay, let's go.
Okay, here we go. Just go back there.
Hoodsaint.
Goosebumps.
I take one look, pulling in the hook, lyrical pistols, bounded by the hood, get crippled as a dog should. They'll never try and run up on my block, understood? Coming these ways, trust brother, you get booked. Tell them we're cruising when we wearing black hoodies. They come a step to me, little rookie. If you wanna bro, motherfucker, make a booking. Whip it in the kitchen if you smell what I'm cooking. Should already know not to pick on the quiet. I ring from his phone, will put your whole crew on silent. Violent men, but never seen in a riot. Asking yourself, nigga, that pussy can't deny it. I got soldiers in cuffs and you got sitting ducks. Waiting to get shot at, but you like you don't give a fuck. 5 to 10 in a pen, the system conducts. Still no effect, in no West Stand. I'm a Hoodsaint, feeling Gucci lad. I'm going classic with my Asics and my polo cap. Living in the ghetto, never fall to no man. Cause as long as he bleeds, then I got a chance. I'm a Hoodsaint, feeling Gucci lad. I'm going classic with my Asics and my polo cap. Living in the ghetto, never fall to no man. Cause as long as he bleeds, then I got a chance.
He sounds like an artist. He sounds like...
Bro.
Sorry, he sounds like someone from Otara. Bad One? He sort of reminds me of Bad One.
Strict.
Oh, P-Strict, yeah, one of them. But his flow is awesome, I'm just gonna say that. It feels fresh.
Goosebumps. That,
yeah. The beginning.
I love how he's got the car coming, the guy's pulling out.
Yeah.
He's just looking for trouble. Are they urgent?
Yeah. That's just normal way, like, it seems like a normal thing when cars pull up and, you know, just
It's a worry though, eh? Like, like you guys would have known, we put up a video of the message to
for youth, yeah.
And it's, as a mother, it's a worry. It's a worry. It's getting worse and worse. Every generation, every
and it's
era.
Living in the ghetto, never fall to no man. Cause as long as he bleeds, then I got a chance. Still in the streets, making fast flow cash. I was on the beat with the Mac in hand. Serving dough is my favorite duo. Don't you know the Mac and cheese lad? My regards to all the puppeteers, pumping all the puppets, making racket. Way too many noise from that side, they can't hack it. They all talk smack, but they never when we there wreaking havoc. Let me tell you how it should be. Clapping at the hoorahs who be trying to act bougie. Whip it on the lot of them and make it smoothie. And leave it to Biggie to turn the podcast juicy. Mystical story, all gone distinct. Giving the problems that should have gone to a shrink. But you came to my end, meaning your life ain't shit. Gonna turn you extinct, don't give a fuck what you think. I'm a Hoodsaint, feeling Gucci lad. I'm going classic with my Asics and my polo cap. Living in the ghetto, never fall to no man. Cause as long as he bleeds, then I got a chance. I'm I'm a Hoodsaint, feeling Gucci like I'm going classic with my Asics and my polo cap. Living in the ghetto, never fault in a man. Cause as long as he bleeds, then I got a chance.
Ooh.
.501's like 501 jeans.
Is that an old reference? Like what?
That's what the 501s were back then.
Jeans.
Jeans, Levi's.
Oh.
I'm not trying to offend anybody, but yeah. So,
What do you think, Mummy?
I like it's got a message in there, and it's also reality, that video.
Yeah.
With it's not only now. This has happened back in our days too, and it just seems to be like one of the brothers said, domino effect.
Yeah, it's definitely a domino effect. Yeah. Especially when you know a lot of people tend to retaliate and stuff like that, and it's hard to not, because if it, like as we saw, like the little brother went to, you know, his crew to let them know that someone beat him up, and how do you, of course, yeah, like how, of course, like, you know, you're on the spot, what are you gonna do? You're just gonna go straight away. And I really liked there's a lot of bars in there that sort of caught me, like the Biggie Juicy bar. There was heaps of good bars in there. His flows quite interesting. I like his flow.
But it was set with the mood.
Yeah,
like,
set with the mood.
It
like,
wasn't like chalk and cheese. It just didn't fit.
It fit. Like if he was gonna, like, it's not like those simple, if the beat goes like a certain way, he's gonna go that certain flow. Like he did, like, justice to the beat. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not good in that music term, but
I liked it, and I loved the visuals. It just went nicely. Well thought of. Yeah, well thought of.
I liked my favorite part of the visuals was when he was, where there's like a little edge thing where he's either sitting on it, or I think because the effect looks really nice,
like a train track in a tunnel or something.
Like that faded old school kind of look or something. I really liked it. I like the story, I like the visuals as well. Just like, it's nice having that visual representation of what he's talking about, which is definitely reality for a lot of people, which I love that, bro. Keep up the music. I'm keen to see what else you're gonna drop. Who knows, you might end up dropping. First time I've heard of TKB and heard your track.
Big ups to Returns of Records for putting them out.
And who knows, I feel like a lot of people, when they drop their first song, their second song or their third song always ends up being a vulnerable song. So who knows if that's gonna be
or sometimes the first song is like a hit, and then it's harder for them to try and do better. You know, like you can
100%.
You guys sing and rap, and you guys have that specific audience.
And so no matter what,
like, this is not. We're not really your audience. Like I'm more old bag, and this one's more.
I mean, if you have an old school type beat, I'm in, man.
But we're taking the time to listen, and
and I really like it, bro. I really like it.
Give it a 9. I give it a 9 because I had the goosebumps. But
in the beginning,
I felt it.
But I think I'd give it a 7, to be honest. It doesn't mean that I think there's anything wrong with the song. I just, personally, with my music taste, I give it a 7.
I give it a 9 because I felt it. I didn't feel angry, but I just felt
resembled.
It just went well. And it's singing from the experience.
But yeah, folks. Other than that, please support the bro. Please subscribe to Returns of Records. This is where the song was released on. But other than that, please go follow TKB on his socials. Show him some love and positivity. Sorry.
We are fucking loving it.
Show him some love and positivity. And
please, fans. And PolyMovement, Poly Business. We've got Ilche here. Please check him out on Facebook and Instagram. Good quality, awesome quality, colour. Man. A lot of different colour t-shirts, but it's nice.
Other than that, fams, I hope you guys enjoyed. Much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, just broke my arm, lady.